MetaLearn, a digital tech institute. Today, I want to introduce you to something truly special. A platform that's not just about learning, but about real transformation. Welcome to MetaLearn. At MetaLearn, our mission is simple: to make high-quality tech education accessible, practical, and powerful. We don't just teach skills like artificial intelligence and data science, we build confidence, creativity, and a mindset for growth. Here's what you get at MetaLearn: high-quality courses, live interactive classes, communication and English speaking skills, personal branding and self-growth, career guidance and mentorship, internship and job opportunities. We're not just preparing you for jobs, we're preparing you for life. And what makes us different? Our diverse team of professionals. At MetaLearn, we have mentors and experts from fields like data science, artificial intelligence, law, fashion design, commerce, international relations, industrial and water management, education, leadership coaching, study abroad consultancy, and yes, neuroscience. Each one of these fields brings something unique to our platform. Law experts. They teach you about ethics, digital rights, and how to protect your ideas legally. Fashion designers. They show how AI is transforming creativity, from virtual try-ons to personalized design. Commerce professionals. They bring real-world business insights, how to start, grow, and analyze businesses with AI. International relations experts. They help you understand the global impact of technology and policy. Industrial managers. They guide you in using AI to optimize real industries, from factories to logistics. Neuroscientists. They help us understand how AI can think like us, and how learning systems can actually match the way we process information. Together, this diversity is not a weakness. It's our strength. So what does this mean for you? It means you don't just learn how to code. You learn how to think. You learn how to communicate, innovate, lead, and create responsibly. You learn how to see AI, not just as a tool, but as a force for good in the world. MetaLearn is not just a platform, it's a movement. It's a journey of growth, connection, and opportunity. Let's build a generation of thinkers, creators, and changemakers. Let's learn, let's grow, let's transform together. Visit us at www.metalearnofficial.com.